Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Note 9 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 9. First of all, on your phone, open camera. Here click on more button. Select slow motion. Now start recording your video. Click on the start button and record your video. I record this video. While taking video, the video will be like a normal video, but after playing that video will be in slow motion. I stop the video now. Now play the video that I took. Play the video and see the action there. The action will be in slow motion. See here, the action is in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 9. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.